Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a mashed potato. We need 12 pieces of medium potatoes. Cut it into halves. You can peel the potato or just leave it unpeeled. Let's add 3/4 parts of the pot with water. Bring it to boil, and once it's boiling, add the potatoes. This is optional, but you can add 5 cloves of garlic for extra flavor. Cook the potato for 30 minutes or until it's soft and easy to mash. Cover the pot to boil it quickly. Once it's cooked, drain the water and mash the potato with masher. Set the heat to low. Add 1 cup of milk to make it fluffy. Add some butter or margarine. Keep mashing until you get the right texture. Add some dill for extra flavor. You're welcome to add some spices like garlic and black pepper. This is optional, but you can add some grated cheese. I'm using marble cheese. Mix it well so it's distributed properly. And this is our final product. Aside from this, you can also make another recipe called baked potato in a casserole. Just fill the casserole with the mashed potato and add some cheese and bake it for like 20 minutes. This is how simple it is. Thank you so much again for watching my video. If you like this video, please comment below and please subscribe to my channel